we talking about. Counting up the money and it's hard to keep. Yeah, it's hard to keep. I don't wanna talk unless we talking about rags. Don't be sending shots if you don't want a lot back. Say you got hits, we don't see where they at. Counting up the money and it's hard to keep track. I don't wanna talk unless we talking about rags. Don't be sending shots if you don't want a lot back. Say you got hits, we don't see where they at. Counting up the money and it's hard to keep track. They talk about the boy when they wanna be trendy. I don't worry about any threats that you send me. Say that you a shooter, I got real ones with me. They gon' make sure that the clip gets empty. Yeah, we after ya. Never got a degree, but I'm a bachelor. Me and 40 get to cooking with no spatula. You shooting at the stars, you need a big caliber. You ain't at the top, I've been here the whole time. I've been running laps in this bitch, it's 09. I could put you on a map with a cosign. Trophies got a crib looking like a gold mine. They follow in my footsteps, cause I know that I paved the way. She think I'm a hero, shorty, you ain't getting safe today. Like you send me checks, so your salary my day to day. I'm numb to awards, now the Grammys act like paperweights. I don't wanna talk unless we talking about rags. Don't be sending shots if you don't want a lot back. Say you got hits, we don't see where they at. Counting up the money and it's hard to keep track. I don't wanna talk unless we talking about rags. Don't be sending shots if you don't want a lot back. Say you got hits, we don't see where they at. Counting up the money and it's hard to keep track. Had to drop a meal for the meal on the wrist. They know that I'm hearing from the Ville to the 6. If I'm being honest, I ain't mean to take your bitch. Got the driveway looking like a dealership. Rappers that I used to know, now they act different. Where they are, where I'm at, that's a big difference. Got my brothers off the block, but they still gripping. Just a phone call away for you to go missing. Always had the vision, I just knew that it would take time. If you want the #1 spot, you gotta take mine. Only way to do that is for you to write some Drake lines. You ain't even big enough to get cloned by AI. I don't know nobody living quite like this. Hopped in the ghost, it ain't even got mileage. They gon' remember the name cause I'm timeless. Say time is money, just know mine is priceless. I don't wanna talk unless we talking about rags. Don't be sending shots if you don't want a lot back. Say you got hits, we don't see where they at. Counting up the money and it's hard to keep track. I don't wanna talk unless we talking about rags. Don't be sending shots if you don't want a lot back. Say you got hits, we don't see where they at. Counting up the money and it's hard to keep track. I don't wanna talk unless we talking about. I don't wanna talk unless we talking about. Yeah. Counting up the money and it's hard to keep. Yeah, it's hard to keep. I don't wanna talk unless we talking about rags. Don't be sending shots if you don't want a lot back. Say you got hits, we don't see where they at. Counting up the money and it's hard to keep track. I don't wanna talk unless we talking about rags. Don't be sending shots if you don't want a lot back. Say you got hits, we don't see where they at. Counting up the money and it's hard to keep track. They talk about the boy when they wanna be trendy. I don't worry about any threats that you send me. Say that you a shooter, I got real ones with me. They gon' make sure that the clip gets empty. Yeah, we after ya. Never got a degree, but I'm a bachelor. Me and 40 get to cooking with no spatula. You shooting at the stars, you need a big caliber. You ain't at the top, I've been here the whole time. I've been running laps in this bitch, it's 09. I could put you on a map with a cosign. Trophies got a crib looking like a gold mine. They follow in my footsteps, cause I know that I paved the way. She think I'm a hero, shorty, you ain't getting safe today. Like you send me checks, so your salary my day to day. I'm numb to awards, now the Grammys act like paperweights. I don't wanna talk unless we talking about rags. Don't be sending shots if you don't want a lot back. Say you got hits, we don't see where they at. Counting up the money and it's hard to keep track. I don't wanna talk unless we talking about rags. Don't be sending shots if you don't want a lot back. Say you got hits, we don't see where they at. Counting up the money and it's hard to keep track. Had to drop a meal for the meal on the wrist. They know that I'm hearing from the Ville to the six. If I'm being honest, I ain't mean to take your bitch. Got the driveway looking like a dealership. Rappers that I used to know, now they act different. Where they are, where I'm at, that's a big difference. Got my brothers off the block, but they still gripping. Just a phone call away for you to don't miss it. Always had the vision, I just knew that it would take time. If you want the #1 spot, you gotta take mine. Only way to do that is for you to write some Drake lines. You ain't even big enough to get cloned by AI.
All right, guys. Today is the last day of the month. It's a beautiful day to be a trader. Let's not just say last day of the month. Let's say the beginning of the month, because from this week on, we will be having the month of August.
I don't know nobody living quite like this.
Hope you guys have been having a nice trading month so far. It's a good, beautiful day to be a trader. Let's look at market and see what we will have this week and where we can profit from. Hello, Fausto. Hello, Saravan. Hello, Sheila. Let's see what we have to look at today. We have EURUSD, GBPUSD, USDJPY, GBPJPY, and XAUUSD. If you have any pairs you want signals or analysis on, put that in the comment section and we'll get right to it. Also, I'm going to upload the video today. I made a $10,000 withdrawal on my account. Okay, I've made some previous withdrawals, not a lot. And yeah, I recorded that and I will upload that. And for those people who have questions about copy trades, I also recorded the process for the copy trade in the video also, and so many other things. Also, you can get 100% deposit bonus. Okay, so if you deposit using my link for Mirga Markets, the broker that I use, if you deposit more than $250 up to up to $20,000, then you should be able to get 100% deposit bonus. Okay, what that means is that if you deposit 250, you have 500 in your account. So if you wanted to use 0.25 lot size, for example, now you have the ability to use 0.5 with a smaller account and you can make more money. Let me share my screen so you can see the accounts that I made a withdrawal from. Boom, boom, boom. Last week was very dry. I'll be honest when it comes to, okay, no, this is the wrong chart. Last week was very dry. Let me see. Share screen. That was an account that was hedging for someone. Boom. All right, so here we go. And yeah, let's look at whole history. So yeah, boom, 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 boom. Yeah, we've made a withdrawal of 10,000 so far, a profit of over 44,000. And yeah, let's see how this week plays out. I may make another $5,000 withdrawal. We just keep on making withdrawals from now. We're trading free with the market's money. We'll see how much we make this week. Maybe I'll withdraw 5,000. Maybe I'll withdraw 10,000. I'm just going to be doing small scalp trades. Why am I doing small scalp trades? I don't like trading news. Hello, Saman. I don't like trading news. I don't participate in news. I avoid it. I'm not one of those desperate traders that are always trying to look for profit everywhere. Okay, I want my profits to be safe also. I'm also looking for profit everywhere, but I want to have a good exit. Okay, and news is just very manipulative. So I'm going to be taking mostly system A trades. I'm going to be scalping for very, very tiny profits, and let's see how that plays out. If we have an opportunity for a big profitable trade, then yes, I'll take that. I'll also take that on the copy trade account so we can all make profits together. Remember, if you want to copy my trade, sign up with Mirga Markets, link in description below. You can open a bonus account to double your deposit. And yeah, once you're done, you can send me proof of that on WhatsApp. Make sure you have at least $350 to $500 to be able to copy my trades. The more you have, the more you make. I'm basically taking only 5% from out of the profits you make. So I'm just doing it for my subscribers to help them make some profits too. Yeah, and once you're done, you can send me proof of that on WhatsApp and Telegram. And what else? Yeah, if you want to test my software for free for 2 weeks also, make sure you sign up in Mirga Markets. Make sure you have at least $150 in your account so that I know that you're serious. But if you use my link, you can deposit at least $250 so that you can get the 100% deposit bonus and take advantage of that also. and then send me proof of that on WhatsApp and Telegram. Just 1 minute. Yes, sir. All right. And with that being said, let's take a quick short break and we'll be right back on the chat doing analysis. If you have any pairs you want me to do analysis for, put that in the comment section. If you have any pairs you want signals for, put that in the comment section, because once we're 30 minutes, 40 minutes into the stream, we're not going to be looking back. You just have to wait for the next stream. Okay. Boom, 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 boom. Also, coming very soon, I'm going to create a private Telegram group where I'll be dropping signals, scalp signals, swing trade signals. You know, I'm just going to be dropping it in that private Telegram group. It's going to start and it's going to be lifetime signals, okay, for free, or it's going to be 1 year free signals. Every day I'll be dropping signals, scalp signals, swing signals. So you have a buffet of multiple trades that you can take. With that being said, let's take a quick short break and we'll be right back soon. Hey guys, this is Solomon from NLFX and Crypto. As you can see, I use Mugen Markets, the broker I used to take swing and scalp trades. This is the best broker I've used so far because they have ECN accounts with very tight spreads up to 0, which allows me to scalp the foreign exchange market easily, as you have seen in my scalping videos. They have leverage up to 1 to 500, which helps me make a lot of profits in the market, and the execution is very fast and very quick, as you have seen in some of my live trading videos. The deposit and withdrawal methods are in cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, USDC, Ethereum, and many more. And the transactions are done in an instant. No waiting or delays. This broker does it in an instant. The trading platform is done in MT4, which I consider the best trading platform if you want to have the best trading experience. You can click the link in description below to sign up and start trading and making profits just like I do. All right, so we're back. 1 minute, guys. I'm just checking up on some things. Cool. I woke up early for you guys. I'm checking up on some of my updates on my account. What is going on now? Markets, it's just acting crazy. All right. 1 minute, guys. I'll be right back. That is trade forming. Let's see. Can you hear me now? I didn't even know you couldn't hear me. I was on mute. So let's start with Euro USD. I don't know what is wrong with this thing. Anyways, Euro USD. I'm facing some issues on some things here. And I need to get this live stream very quick. Euro USD. Let's look at Euro USD. Oh, this is Euro USD. All right, Euro USD. We're looking at it as we broke 1.1, right? Boom, boom, boom. What's going on? Trading view again. And eventually we broke back below this point. However, we are looking a bit bullish now. So we're stuck in between this zone. Okay. All right. So it's looking like it's going to break this 1.10 high point again. Sometimes this thing works well, sometimes it doesn't work well. I'm just really tired of this trading video. Always misbehaving the moment I go live. I'm looking for the arrow. Where's the arrow? They move the arrow. Why would they move the arrow? Doesn't even make any sense. Why move the arrow? They just want to put different types of arrow. Like it's going to make you more money. Anyways, boom. So if we break 1.10, we can expect it to continue bullish. It can go all the way to back to this point 1.15. Right. However, if we don't break it, which it already looks like we didn't break it last week Friday, you can expect it to drop. I won't be surprised if there's a lot of consolidation this week, as I expect this week to be NFP week. Okay, and what do we expect during NFP week? Consolidation till news comes. News is just for manipulation. I usually don't like all this kind of news week. They just waste your time because they are not trying to help you make profits. They are trying to help you lose money. Okay, that is the goal for news. That is why I avoid it. That is why I try not to trade. So GBP, Euro USD, I expect consolidation. I do not see any signals. It is currently looking bullish. It can bounce off from 1.1 all the way to 1.05, and then if we break it can bounce all the way from 1.1 all the way to 1.105. If you can break 1.105, then we can find the signal to continue to go bullish. As of now, I would say we are consolidated. GBP USD, we had a nice bullish trade. It went into some profits. Remember what I always say, 40 pips, 50 pips into profits, take some profits, move the rest to break even. It was a 5.6 or 5.7 to 1 risk to reward ratio trade. If we went into 70 pips profits, by then you should have taken some profits, you should have moved the rest to break even, and you should have come out of this trade with profits and nothing unscathed, as usual, if you continue to follow what we say on the live stream. Now the market crashed and is continuing to look bearish. There is no entry. It actually is in a terrible position to trade. If you're on a trade on this, I would say you should come out of this trade unless you are selling, right? If you are selling, move your, what is this? I'm trying to increase it and it's reducing. I didn't even reduce it. I'm increasing it, is reducing. Anyways, yeah, we're looking at the market as bullish. Immediately it broke below this point, 1.2925. Boom, it started looking bearish. We are currently stuck in this zone of 1.3 and 1.2775. Same thing as Euro USD. No trade so far, just consolidating. We needed to break out of, I forgot the arrows are here. We needed to break out of this point, right? Or break below this point for us to find the trade. From my bias, I would expect it to break, bearish. So we'll see how that plays out. No trades, no signals on that so far. You see, the reason why I want to create this free signal group, free Telegram group, is after we are done with this live stream, maybe there's a signal opportunity, then I'll just put it in the signal group, the Telegram group. Like I said, I'll announce it next month. Okay, it's going to be a 1 year free signals, 1 year free signals for scalping, for swing trading. Hello, Solomon. Hello, the King Banks. So that whenever we do our live streams, if we don't see any opportunities for signals, and if I see the opportunity, I'll just paste the scalp signal, swing signal, it doesn't matter, in the Telegram group. I'll announce how next in September. Okay. And yeah, like I said, use my link in the description below to sign up with the broker that I use, and then add 100% deposit bonus to your money. okay, so that you have more money to trade with and more money to make profits with. So with that being said, we're done with Euro USD and GBP USD. Let's move on to USD JPY. USD JPY. Ask me for signal group that I have some signal. Like, who told you? Why do people message me about things that I didn't tell them about? They message me things they want and for free, and then +91 +92 +234. I'll soon start blocking those numbers from me, because some of the messages I've gotten from them, especially +91 and +2, I just want to block those numbers. Anyways, where are we? USD JPY. Where's USD JPY? 141 points. Let's see what USD JPY has for us. All right. See what happened with USD JPY. See how the markets went haywire. We had a quick scalp. It went into some profits. Boom. You should have taken some profits. Then it's collapsed. Remember what I always say: 40 pips in profits, take some profits, move to break even. You should have been out of this trade. And after that, I did not give any signals. Okay. And immediately after that, you see what happened. Market spiked up for no reason, spiked down for no reason, spiked up for no reason. And now is going long all over again. Okay. So the market is very dangerous, right? And was very dangerous last week, like I kept telling people. But some people were messaging me, take trade, take trade, take trade. Then I told them, you take trade on your own account. But they didn't take trade on their own account because they know it, but they don't care as long as it's you that is doing it, you know. Or maybe that in general, that's how they just trace their accounts, and which makes sense why they lose a lot. However, it is possible to buy for USDJPY around 141, right? Set your exit at the low of today. What's going on? So that'll be about 30 pips risk. Okay. People who use stop loss, I usually feel sorry for you guys. It's just not the right way to trade, because the market can always do whatever it wants, right? If it goes bad for you, you take a loss. You don't need to take losses. The market can always go bad at any point in time. You don't know how big and how fast you can compound your account if you just do away with all those losses. Not even if you're not making profits, but just have no losses. Anyways, most people like to suffer. Boom, 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 boom. Some people, they always think they are smart. If you are smart, it will show in your results. If you can, cheat the market, it will show in your results. If you are smarter than the market, it will show in your results. But if you don't have results, but you are claiming smart, you are claiming genius, you are claiming you can do this, results, it's only results that speak. You're just wasting nobody's time but yourself. You can set your target at 143.25, right? This is a 7 to 1 risk to reward ratio. Okay, so this is what I'm looking at on US. I am bullish. All right. How this plays out. We now move on to GBPJPY. GBPJPY. Thank you for the comment, Solomon. Hello, Rudra Raju. Let's see. GBPJPY. Oof. Look at GBPJPY. Spike down, spike up, spike down, spike down. I was telling people last week, I'm not trading. I don't want to take trades because of news. However, GJ is looking bullish. There is no signal yet on GJ. We just know that it's looking bullish. It's good at this point. We've broken 182, right? Because that would have been the area that would have been looking towards to. We still need to break 180.5. All right. After that, we are completely bullish in this bitch. All right. Then we will be looking for signals for entry on GBPJPY. And we all know when we get good, nice entry on GBPJPY, we just have smooth, straight profits. All right. So let me drag this down a bit. TradingView just playing games with me. TradingView. Come on. Let me just remove this. Those are just really annoying. I don't know why I said. They just made their system more and more annoying. They are just putting more options and more options and more options and more options because most traders just want more options, and it's not making them any profits. It just satisfies them because they feel like it's making them profit. No trades on GBPJPY. We are bullish for now. No signals. So let's move on to gold. Finally on gold. XAUUSD. Last but not least. Boom, boom, boom. I'm trying to rush through this session because I have some things I need to get done. Every time somebody from +91, +92 messages me, I never really know what they are talking about. They're always talking about something different that I don't even know about. Always requesting something that I never even pushed, I never even spoke about, I never even said I offer. You know, I just don't understand, and it's getting tiring. It's just getting tiring. I'll post information, I'll speak about the information, I'll post video. Next thing, I'm getting message about something totally different that has nothing to do with what I said. But I'll ask, did you read what I said? Yes. Did you watch what I said? Yes. So why are you messaging me something that is totally different? What are you expecting from me? It doesn't even make any sense. You know, very soon I'll just start blocking my whole content from that region because it's very annoying. Anyways, where are we? XAUUSD. Just simply read. Simply read. If you are messaging me and I have to write a whole speech and another person is messaging me, another person is messaging me. Now, I have to write a whole speech on something I've already written on something I've already spoken on. I have to now reread because you just don't want to read. You know, how do you want to make profits? How do you want to help yourself? If you can't even read free information, you can't read free information to help yourself. You need somebody to explain the information that has already been explained all over again because you just want it for yourself. How do you expect to succeed? You can't even, you're not that you can't help yourself. You decide not to help yourself. If I don't reply your message, then you don't benefit. But you're not even making it easy. You know, as for something that is free. Anyways, XAUUSD, we had a bullish move. We were breaking barriers. However, I did put those barriers that we needed to break. We think we got to our final barrier, which was around 1982, and then boom, the market crashed. Okay, it's looking like it's going to continue on its push down. We needed to break this 1970, and then we're fully bullish. However, that didn't happen. We broke down back below 1955. We are bearish on this market. I can expect it to go all the way down to 1925. Okay, 1925. Is there any entry so far? No sell entry, because the exits, if I want to set the exit, we'll be looking at 200 pips, 200 to 250 pips exit, you know, which is not that great. Yeah, 200 pips exit. No, 200 pips. This would be 50. Yeah, around 150 pips exit. So let's see what happens in the markets. Maybe the markets can go all the way to 1960. Yeah, it's possible. If we could get the markets to go all the way to 1960, then we could find, no, this is the wrong thing. Then we could find a sell, right? A short. If we could go down to 1960, set your exit at 1970. So we're risking about 100 pips. And then you set your target. Where's this sell thing? What's going on with trading? Click sell. When I click something else, when I click what I want, it will click something else. Now I click sell, you didn't even click. Just put in so many options just to satisfy traders. Just, you know, and it's not making them any money. All this, so many tools, not making them any money, just wasting their time. Boom, you have your exits here. You see, about 120 pips. Even if you enter from 1960. However, your targets would be 1925, and that'll be about 4.5 risk reward ratio. So this is the best that I see. Bearish on gold. So if you're already in a sell, just continue to sell, and you move your break even to the high of the previous day, trading day, which was 28th of July. All right, so yeah, that's it for today. So many opportunities that might come. Very soon in September, I'll have a private Telegram group for signals, for scalping, for swing signals, for scalp signals that I'll just be dropping every day. We'll be having 5 to 7 signals, maybe 10 signals sometimes, so that, because we can't be live 24/7, okay? When we have our live streams, if we see opportunity, we don't see opportunity, we'll move on. Then the next stage would be signal group, okay? So after the live stream, if I see an opportunity, I'll paste it immediately in that signal group, whether it's scalping, whether it's swing trading. So you have many options. It's going to be free for 1 year. I'll announce that in September, and I'll announce how to join the private signal group. All right, so yeah, remember, if you want to copy my trades, sign up with the link in the description below, and also bonus account. I'll upload a 6-minute video of me showing me making a withdrawal, showing the process on how to copy my trade, showing the process on how to get your deposit bonus. And yeah, that should come out today in the next less than 12 hours. I'll say in the next 9 hours. All right, so stay alert for that. And yeah, if you have any questions, send it to me on WhatsApp and Telegram. If you want to test my software for free for 2 weeks, sign up with Mega Markets, link in the description below. Make sure you have at least $150 in your account. And yeah, we'll be right back with another session on Wednesday to see if we have more opportunities soon. And also very soon I'll start going live on Instagram also. So follow me on all the social media, and yeah, so you can always stay updated. You never know where I might post good information that will help you out. Like, share, and subscribe, and we'll be right back soon. Hey guys, this is Solomon from NLFX and Crypto. As you can see, I use Mugen Markets, the broker I used to take swing and scalp trades. This is the best broker I've used so far because they have ECN accounts with very tight spreads up to 0, which allows me to scalp the foreign exchange market easily, as you have seen in my scalping videos. They have leverage up to 1 to 500, which helps me make a lot of profits in the market, and the execution is very fast and very quick, as you have seen in some of my live trading videos. The deposit and withdrawal methods are in cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, USDC, USDC, Ethereum, and many more. And the transactions are done in an instant. No waiting or delays. This broker does it in an instant. The trading platform is done in MT4, which I consider the best trading platform if you want to have the best trading experience. You can click the link in description below to sign up and start trading and making profits just like I do.
I don't want to talk unless we talking about, yeah, counting up the money and it's hard to keep, yeah, it's hard to keep. I don't wanna talk unless we talking about racks. Don't be sending shots if you don't want a lot back. Say you got hits, we don't see where they at. Counting up the money and it's hard to keep track. I don't wanna talk unless we talking about racks. Don't be sending shots if you don't want a lot back. Say you got hits, we don't see where they at. Counting up the money and it's hard to keep track. They talk about the boy when they wanna be trendy. I don't worry about any threats that you send me. Say that you a shooter, I got real ones with me. They gon' make sure that the clip gets empty. Yeah, we after ya. Never got a degree, but I'm a bachelor. Me and 40 get to cooking with no spatula. You shooting at the stars, you need a big caliber. You ain't at the top, I've been here the whole time. I've been running laps in this bitch, it's 09. I could put you on a map with a cosign. Trophies got a crib looking like a gold mine. They follow in my footsteps, cause I know that I paved the way. She think I'm a hero, shorty, you ain't getting safe today. Like you send me checks, so your salary my day to day. I'm numb to awards, now the Grammys act like paperweights. I don't wanna talk unless we talking about racks. Don't be sending shots if you don't want a lot back. Say you got hits, we don't see where they at. Counting up the money and it's hard to keep track. I don't wanna talk unless we talking about racks. Don't be sending shots if you don't want a lot back. Say you got hits, we don't see where they at. Counting up the money and it's hard to keep track. Had to drop a meal for the meal on the wrist. They know that I'm hearing from the Ville to the 6. If I'm being honest, I ain't mean to take your bitch. Got the driveway looking like a dealership. Rappers that I used to know, now they act different. Where they are, where I'm at, that's a big difference. Got my brothers off the block, but they still gripping. Just a phone call away for you to go missing. Always had the vision, I just knew that it would take time. If you want the #1 spot, you gotta take mine. Only way to do that is for you to write some Drake lines. You ain't even big enough to get cloned by AI. I don't know nobody living quite